Hi, my name is Satish Alvati, working as assistant professor in mechanical department in Guntur Engineering College. Today, I will explain about zeroth law of thermodynamics and thermometry principle. Now, what is zeroth law of thermodynamics? Zeroth law of thermodynamics also called as zero law of thermodynamics. Now, this law states that when a body A is in thermal equilibrium with a body B and also separately with a body C, then B and C will be in thermal equilibrium with each other. This is known as the zeroth law of thermodynamics. It is the basis of temperature measurement. It is the basis of temperature measurements. Now, based on zeroth law of thermodynamics, you have to know the concept of temperature. Now, what is principle of thermometer? Thermometry is the device of measuring temperature with scientific precision. The principle of thermometry states that when two bodies are in contact and are in thermal equilibrium, they will have the same temperature. What is principle of thermometry means? When two bodies are in contact and are in thermal equilibrium, they will have same temperature. The heat is transferred from the system to measuring instrument and the effect of change of temperature on same property is recorded. This property which changes, it is value as a function of temperature is called a thermometry property. We have temperature measurement devices are different. Those are gas thermometer, constant volume gas thermometer, and ideal gas temperature. And Celsius temperature scale. Let us discuss constant volume gas thermometer. Here, constant volume gas thermometer shown in diagram. A small amount of gas is enclosed in a bulb B, which is in communication with a capillary tube C with one limb of the mercury manometer is capital M. The other limb of the mercury manometer is open to the atmosphere and it can be moved vertically to adjust the mercury level so that the mercury just touches lip of the capillary and it is denoted by capital L. The pressure in the bulb is used as the thermometric property. That property is pressure P is equal to P naught plus density of mZg. Here Z is the difference in mercury level and G is the acceleration due to gravity, where rho is the density of mercury. P naught is the atmospheric pressure. Now change in temperature is equal to V by R into delta P. The temperature increase proportional to the pressure increases. If the temperature increases proportional to the observed volume increase, delta T is equal to P by R into delta V. Constant volume gas thermometer is mostly in use. It is a simpler in construction and easier to operate. Next, we'll explain about ideal gas scale temperature. I'll show the diagram. A similar series of tests may be conducted with the constant pressure gas thermometer. The constant pressure may first be taken to 1000 mm of Hg, then 500 mm of Hg, etc. At each value of pressure P, the volume of gas V and may be recorded when the bulb is surrounded by a steam. Considering at 1 atmosphere pressure the triple point of water respectively, the corresponding value of theta may be calculated from theta is equal to 273.16 V by Vt. A real gas is used in the bulb behaves an ideal gas pressure approaches zero. The ideal gas temperature T is defined by the either of two equations. Temperature T is equal to 273.16 limits pressure P to 0 V by Vt, and temperature T is equal to 273.16 limit Pt to 0 P by Pt. Here Ps is and Pt are the measured pressure at the steam point, the triple point respectively. One gets the value of the steam point temperature is Ts, that is the saturation temperature. Ts is equal to 273.16 V by Vt, which is equal to the 373.15 Kelvin. This is the ideal gas temperature of steam point. Thank you so much.